Mariani Paolo. We are the only Italian mill who produce the whole range of flour using all Italian wheat. The Molino Mariani product represents the real taste of our region. We are coming from Marche, one of the most beautiful regions in Italy and around the world. We want to show what our tradition represents for us, from the single seeds coming from the field close to the mill to our city, till exporting flour in Hong Kong.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to True Italian Taste Initiative. Today we have the honor to have with us the Master Chef of Molino Mariani, Giuliano. Please enlighten us. Thank you.
I'm attending the masterclass today and I learned more knowledge about Italian bread, the technique behind from a super chef.